Ivan, can you still remember your answer or you want me to write your answer?
Not really. I'm trying to. No.
Okay, you're just thinking. Okay, you think I'll give you more time.
I'm done.
Okay, so Ivan, could you please read the information of this 6 to 10 people, number 6 to 10, then tell me their swimming clubs. You need to read the entire clubs, just tell me, read the only the text, okay? So,
6. Ralph is a strong swimmer and would like a club that offers challenging long-distance events. She'd also like to improve his technique, but only has weekend free. I choose D. Splash. Ready to swim 20 kilometers across a sea. Come and join our advanced swimmers club on Saturday and find out. You'll be well looked after, and pool training is also provided to keep up your strength and develop a swimming style suitable for open water. 7. Martha has just learned to swim and want to improve quickly so she can jump off the top part into a big pool. She prefers indoor pools but doesn't like doing competition. I choose G. Our club takes all levels to to of learner swimmers in our shallow practice pool and aims to increase tricks. Sorry, my letter is so small and improve
and improve.
technique to different pool games. After 6 p.m., we can provide one-to-one teaching of requested swimmers should try to come once a week. Can I change my answer, please?
Yes, Ivan, it's okay to change.
I'm done changing.
Okay, continue, Ivan.
8. Fiona wants a club where she can swim for pleasure and meet other people. She'll also like a club that organize games in pool and regular social events. C. We aim to build virtual confidence by making our indoor club meeting as much fun as possible. Come along and join us with some virtual volleyball and experiments at the same time. Club discussed for teenage members are held once a month. Yeah, can't swim very far at the moment. So he wants to get stronger. He can only attend one evening per week. So would like individual instruction. G. Our club takes all levels of learners, swimmers in our shallow practice pool and aim to increase stretch and improve technique through different pool games. After 6 p.m., we can provide one-to-one teaching if requested. Swimmers should try to come once a week. 10. Daisy wants to attend a swimming club after 6 p.m. On Tuesday and Thursday, she wants to take swimming tests as we moved up from intermediate to advanced level and hopes to become a winner in club race. I choose E. Uh, our club provides serious swimming training every weekday evening with progress certificates as you pass each level. We do lots of swimming and diving competitions, and we'll teach you to techniques you need to be a champion. You will also be pushed to achieve a high standard. So we'll need to see you twice a week. I'm done.
Okay, Ivan, this one is a bit tricky because some of the answers here are just
I
very
think
new to each
I think
other.
I will solve every
You got you think you've got many mistakes in here? Okay, so no, let's check. Let's check. Now here first is Ralph. It's a strong swimmer and would like a club that organizes challenging long distance events. And he'd also like to improve his technique, but only has weekends free. The answer here is look at there. Oh, look at Ivan. Number 6 is D. Correct. 7, Martha has just learned to swim and wants to improve quickly so she can jump off the top board of the big pool. She prefers indoor pools but doesn't like doing competition. Ivan, the answer number 7 is letter H, sharks, because we use pool inside the new city leisure center. Oh, take swimmers from complete beginners. Look at here. Martha just learned how to swim and she just also want to um do swimming in indoor pools. Okay. Next, number 8, Haven. Fiona wants a club where she can swim for pleasure and meet other people. Oh, correct. Letter C. She belongs to the Penguins Club. Very good. Number 9, Jay can't swim very far at the moment, so he wants to get stronger. Oh, letter G. Correct. He will join the Waves Club because these clubs will take all levels of learner swimmers. Next, number 10. Daisy wants to attend a swimming club after 6 p.m. on Tuesday and Thursday. And she wants to take swimming tests as she moves up from intermediate to advanced level. So Daisy will belong to letter E, Water World, which is correct. So as you can see, Ivan, you only got one mistake. Only number 7, you chose Mermaid Club. Look at here. Swim your way from beginner to intermediate level and get certificates for your hard work in our big outdoor. So as you can see, Ivan, letter B is also good for beginner swimmers. But here, as you can see, it will take you to outer or outdoor pool, while letter H here is all about indoor pool. That's the difference between the two. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go. So congratulations again, Ivan. So here, oh, we will end our class there because it's already time. And good to hear because you only got 2 mistakes. You've got 8 out of 10. Not bad. I thought you will get many mistakes in here because this one is a bit tricky. But then you were able to answer it correctly. Congratulations, Ivan, for a job well done in doing reading and writing. All right, so Ivan, that would be all for today. So we will gonna continue the reading and writing activity on Friday, 8 a.m., right? Right? 8 a.m.? Our schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 a.m. Okay? So goodbye for now, Ivan. See you again next time. Goodbye.
Bye, Teacher.
Bye-bye.